Damero Diaper Wet Dry Bag, Waterproof Reusable by Damero is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. Cute fabric, fun colors, well made, good sizes, multiple functions. For people who loves everything clean, using these gives you a peace of mind. A good choice for you all. Function, ? For a working pumping mom. This bag is very handy with pumping at work. You can put used pump parts in here and put the bag in the break room refrigerator. No one knows the difference. ? For a sports lover. ? To carry 100% sweat-soaked clothes and gym bag after yoga class. ? Using the bags when go swimming, to the beach, or to a water park. ? For young parents. ? Keep extra stuff for your child at preschool. If clothing gets dirty or wet, or if the school has a water day, the wet clothing can be contained in here. ? It also worked nicely when go out to eat and need somewhere to put dirty cups, dishes, spoons, and bibs after eating. ? To transport all baby's food, poop, pee, barf, drool covered clothing. Highlight, ? With the snap handle, you can easily strap it to your diaper bag as a reminder that you have dirty diapers that need to be washed. These wet bags keep everything else in your bag dry and free from sweat smell. Folds up easily so it doesn't take up too much space in a diaper bag. Notes, ? Machine wash at 60? ? Do not bleach. ? Do not iron. ? Do not dry clean. ? Do not tumble dry. Plain wet bag for cloth and baby stuffs, keep smells and moisture contained and make washing at home much easier. Double zips mean clean and dirty diapers, or wipes, can be kept together but separate for easy bag organizing and washing. Reusable, and machine washable, 300 meters by 360 millimeters, approx. 11.5 in by 14 in. Comes with durable handle for easy carrying or attaching to your diaper bag or stroller. Also great for travel, you can organize your clean or dirty clothes, underwear, socks, swimming suits and other belongings. Not 100% waterproof because of sewing made.